I will wash 500 grams of beans. I pour a liter of water into the pot and wait for it to boil. While I wait for the water to boil, I will chop the onion, garlic, and sausages. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I cut all the ingredients, and now I will strain the beans from the water. I return the strained beans to the pot. I add onions, garlic, sausages. I'll add a teaspoon of salt. I add dry organic seasoning. And how I made it, I'll leave you a link in the video description. Pepper to taste. 2 teaspoons of red sweet ground pepper. I will pour 2 liters of water. I will cover, and from the moment the water boils, I will cook for an hour. After an hour of cooking beans, I need clean and wash jars. Taste and add spices if needed. I add a spoonful of 9% vinegar to each jar. I pour the beans into jars. And I will fill all the jars in the same way. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a saucepan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. And I put the jars in the pot. Pour hot water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. And from the moment the water boils, I will cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of cooking, I remove the pan. I will leave the jars to cool in the water. Store the jars in a dark place until use. Before use, heat the contents of the jar to 80 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. It is a protective measure because botulism toxin is thermally unstable. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.